we need to talk about your job and the system that's coming to erase it. Right now, look at your job. I mean, really look at it. The tasks, the skills you think make you valuable. Get a clear picture. Lock it in. Okay, got that picture? Now, imagine you wake up tomorrow and it's just gone. No warning, no email, no phony, "We appreciate your service" meeting, just an empty space where your entire career used to be. Because that's what replaced you. A system. It works faster, it's cheaper, and it never, ever asks for a paycheck. This isn't competition. It's an upgrade. And you're the legacy software. And don't think for a second this is some sci-fi drama. It's happening right now, as we speak. This isn't a prediction, it's a field report. Your replacement isn't a prototype in a lab. It's being installed on a server somewhere. And the scariest part? The people getting wiped out, they never see it coming. Think about it. Your competition used to be the guy in the next cubicle. Now, it's a machine that never gets tired. This whole thing didn't creep in slowly. It was like a system patch that updated the entire world overnight. Yesterday, you were worried about a coworker. Today, you're competing against code that never sleeps. And here's the cold, hard truth. Your boss doesn't hate you. They just did the math. And the math, well, the math doesn't give a damn about your feelings. It's not personal. It's just optimization. Entire team projects? Done in minutes. Logged in a spreadsheet that no human will ever even look at. All right, so let's get specific. Let's make this real. We're starting a countdown. 5 jobs that are on the verge of extinction. And I don't mean shrinking or declining. I mean disappearing. Wiped clean before 2026. Number 5. Customer support. You know that friendly voice on the chat support? Yeah, chances are it's not a person anymore. Why would it be? The AI runs 24/7, doesn't need health insurance, and it literally can't get angry at you. Companies flip the switch, and guess what? We barely even noticed. Number 4. Junior coders. Yeah, remember that whole learn to code mantra? That was the big promise, right? Well, that era is officially over. Right now, AI can build, debug, and deploy an application before a junior dev has even finished their first cup of coffee. The first step on the entire tech ladder, it just vaporized. Stop. Right there. Because if you're thinking, oh, this is just about entry-level jobs, you are dangerously wrong. This next one, this is the real glitch in the system. Number 3. Writers, copywriters. Think your job is about creativity? Your employer thinks it's about turning an idea into text. And an AI can scrape the entire internet and generate perfectly structured content in seconds. It's not creative, it's efficient. And in this economy, efficiency is God. Coming in at number 2. Middle management. We always thought managers were safe, right? Wrong. AI is already tracking KPIs, writing performance reports, setting schedules, everything a manager does, but without the bias or the meetings. If your job is to coordinate other humans, get ready, because the AI is about to start coordinating you. Pause. Just pause for a second, because what's coming next isn't just another job on a list. You need to hear this. This is the collapse of the entire professional backbone of our economy. Number 1. Administrative and clerical jobs. We're talking data entry, scheduling, filing, basically any predictable task you can think of. It wasn't a fight. It was instant vaporization, a silent, total takeover of an entire class of work. Okay, so that's the list, but look, this isn't really about 5 jobs disappearing. That's just the symptom. There's a much darker truth, a fundamental glitch happening right underneath our feet. And this is the part almost everyone is missing. Think about it. All those jobs we just listed, they were the entry points, the internships, the junior positions, the first rung on the ladder. AI isn't just replacing individual jobs, it's systematically erasing the bottom of the ladder itself. And when that first step is gone, the whole ladder is useless. There is no way up. So what do? You don't just roll over. This is not hopeless. This is your counterattack protocol. Listen carefully. 1. Become unpredictable. Automation thrives on patterns. Break them. Master strategy, complex problem solving, real human empathy, the things a machine can't fake yet. 2. Stop fighting AI. Learn it. Wield it. Make it your tool, your weapon. And 3, build a skills stack. A single skill makes you a target. A stack of skills that work together, that makes you a fortress. Because you need to understand what's happening right now. We are living through what's called the Great Filter. It's one of those rare moments in history where millions get left behind, permanently. But for the few who see what's coming and adapt, they're going to rise faster and higher than anyone in human history. So it all comes down to a choice, a simple binary choice. Path 1, you can ignore all of this. Just hope for the best. Hope the future is kind. The end result of that path? You end up on a layoff list. Path 2, you wake up. Now, you adapt. You learn to outrun the wave. The end result of that path? You become unstoppable. Your move.